So welcome back. We are seeing about the second Apply IT program. So we are going to generate the following series using the C program. Let us go to the DOS prompt for writing the program for this following series. Yes. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 series. Okay. 9 terms in this series. Will we will print up to 10 like Fibonacci. Okay. So we are going into the MS DOS prompt now. I'm going to have a new file. Okay, Alt F, new file, and here I'm going to delete everything. So we are going to start afresh. So stdio and conio.h. Yes, these two is necessary. Then void main. Yes. And then inside we'll have integer x, comma, we'll have some count, right? We'll see what are all the variables necessary while writing the program. Now only I am also going to write the program along with you. Clear screen we gave. So we are going to have x printf the series. Okay, I'm going to close this. Then printf we'll have initialize. We'll initialize first x is 8, right? X is equal to 8 because its starting is 8, right? So printf %d comma x. We are going to print the x here. Yes. So first is printer. So count is equal to 1 now. Yes. So do same like Fibonacci, we'll try it. Okay. So do we'll have some x is equal to x into 2 minus 2. Yes. Then print f percentage d tab x. Yes. While count is less than 10. Something is missing in the program. I'll go and check it. Okay, so here count, we didn't have the count here, so you want to have count plus plus. Yes, count plus plus, and here also t. We'll see how it is going. Okay, save SCRIES series.c, compile and see. Error is coming. No error means we'll run and see. I don't know how it is coming. So the series 8, 14, 26, 50, 98, 194, 386, 770, 1538 and 307, and because I gave 10 instead of 9, right? I said it. So this is the series. Got it correctly? 8, 14, 26, 50, 98. Yeah, good. So this is the program for your second Apply IT. Now only with you, I also typed it. This program is nowhere else. So I hope you understood how to write a C program for any given problem, isn't it? Yes, children? Okay, so this is your second program, that is observe the series given below. So write a C programming. The C programming for this is the program. Okay, include stdio, Conio main, we are having two variables x is equal to 8 count. The series is first we are printing the first number x, count is 1, do x into 2 minus 2, print of x, count plus plus, while count is less than 10. We are going to do this up to 10. We are completed the series. The series came correctly, right? You saw this, yes? So this is the correct program for the second question. Within 5 minutes we completed this. Good. Okay, so the third question, shall we go for the third question? Yes. What is the third question? We'll see. So our third question is, write a program that displays your name on the screen 10 times. Write this program using each looping method. Okay, so we can go for each looping method. We'll be writing the program. Okay, so all the loop, while, do while and for loop, all the loop we are going to use it. Yes, we'll enter into the DOS prompt now. Yes, now we are going to have a new file. So we are going to display our name 10 times using do while loop now. Okay, so for that include stdio.h, include conio.h, void main, int I, yes, I, comma, j, comma, k for 3 loops. Okay. Then what can we do? We can have while loop first. While I is less than 10, we can have print our name, right? We can print GGB here. Close it. Not print, it is print F. And I can be 1, J can be 1, and K also 1 here. Here while loop we completed. Do while loop. Do print F, school. In new line we'll have, or tab or new line we'll have. New line itself will have, right? And in GGB we can have in tab because we want to say, right? Okay. Next, while J is less than 10. Okay. But here also we missed one thing. I plus plus to increment this. Here also we missed J plus plus to increment. And after this we'll have our for loop. Yes, so for k is equal to 1, k is less than 10, k plus plus. Yes, print F, we can have Perambalur. Yes. For differentiating between all the loops. Here get CH and we'll be closing this. Yes, we can save this. AMES names. We can compile this. No error. We can run this. See, GGV is coming, school is coming, and Perambalur 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 it's coming correctly, right? Yes. We didn't have clear screen, so only we are not getting it. Clear screen. We'll be having clear screen. Okay. And here 0. Here 0. Yes. Here also we can have 0. Alt F save, Alt C run, and Alt R. See? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. School 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and Perambalur. So this GGV is using while loop. School is using your do while loop and Perambalur using your for loop. Yes. So using all the loops, we have completed our displaying the name on the screen 10 times. Okay. So is using while, do while and for loop. Isn't easy? Yes. So this is the program that displays your name on the screen 10 times. This is using while loop, do while loop and for loop. For differentiating, I used GGV for while loop, school for do while loop and for loop, Perambalur I used it. Okay. So using each looping method, we saw how the looping is been working. So in Apply IT, all the three programs, the first program is Fibonacci, we wrote, and the second program is series generation, we completed, and the third program is write a program that displays your name on the screen. So all the programs we completed. With this our lesson 4 is over. Yes, term 1 for examination, all the 4 units are there. I can either ask any program also. Be ready. Please understand the concept so that you can easily score marks. It's nothing is there in the 4 lessons, right? Okay. So instead of printf, don't have only print. Don't miss the semicolon, right? So each and every part is very important in the C programming. It is a structured programming language, right? So C programming is a structured programming language. The structure is very much important. Instead of curly braces, we cannot have in this braces. We cannot leave any double quotations, nothing. It should be like that. If it is not there, everything, all the program will be in a it will not be it will have errors. Okay. So please read everything carefully. If you are having any doubt, ask me. I hope you'll get your exam timetable soon. You know when is the CS exam? Please read carefully. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Write all these programs, including your project time programs and Apply IT programs in your classwork note itself for future references. Okay. So try to write all the programs, whatever you are going to learn in your classwork note, so that in any time you can take it and have for your reference. Okay. So all the 4 lessons, project time and Apply IT, somewhat I have covered everything and completed the programs. Please write all the things in your classwork note. All the best. Do well your exams. Okay. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, children. Thank you. Thank you, children.